Good morning. Ah, crap, I don't even have my damn camera. I can't even think straight this morning. Just can't seem to get the truck straightened out. It's beginning to become an issue. Because we are kind of in the middle of nowhere. But as luck would have it, just a little bit of luck, there's a dealer not too far down the road, so we'll see.
Use the left lane to take the ramp to US 75 North, then merge onto US 75 North.
So here we are in TEXOMA, Texas, and I'm still trying to get this truck straightened out. Things just don't always go as planned. Oh, shut up. So, keeping our fingers crossed. I've got to go here to the Nissan dealership and grab a water pump that we ordered yesterday, and then I'm going to go over
then merge onto North Highway 75
to the AutoZone and change it in the parking lot. And that's the last real component in the cooling system that I haven't changed on this trip. Alright, so
merge onto North Highway 7.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Spent the night here Walmart last night after leaving TEXOMA and the TEXOMA RV resort. We didn't do really a whole lot of filming there at all. We still have been chasing an issue with the cooling system on the truck this entire time. Almost didn't make it here to the Walmart, which is like 255 miles away from where we were at. All right, so yay. Let's turn this light on here. Let this slide out here. We've been at Walmart, so we try to keep the slides in as much as possible at night. We'll bump out this slide just a little bit so we can get through, and then the refrigerator is easy to get to. But the other problem, of course, look at what happened last night. So fun. I'm not an expert, but I don't think that's supposed to be that way at all.
Okay guys, here we are today at Hot Springs, Arkansas. We're staying at this really super nice place called Treasure Isle RV Park. So we've not really been doing much filming in the last week or so because well, life's hard, and sometimes, you know, it's not always rainbows and puppies on the road. Sometimes it turns into poopsicles. So we've been dealing with a coolant problem in our truck, and every time we think we have it fixed, it's not. So Thomas is out there working on it for one last leg. Hopefully we can get it taken care of and make it home. Otherwise, we had to make other plans. So that would include many possibilities: renting a truck, trying to get our camper back home, or just leaving it in storage here and hoping that, you know, we get the truck repaired enough to get home, which, you know, we're really hoping to get it corrected so that we can get home and figure out what the real problem is. Otherwise, it's really looking like we're going to store the camper here and drive our truck home and fix it and then have to come back. But, you know, it's not the first time we've had to do that. But, you know, things happen. Now, also on this trip, we have had other issues. So today I am trying to just ready the camper for travel and possible storage. And you can hear the truck beeping now. Oops. Bless his heart. I really hope that he, you know, he has been so patient, and we've really, you know, grown a lot in the past few days. So let me show you our mess that we have going on here. So here we go. So let's take a look and see what we got going on out here. So here we have Thomas working on the truck, doing the best that he can, and I'm so appreciative for everything that he does. So there was the culprit up there. Our slide cable became frayed and was about to break, and that was going to be really bad news if we had to bring it in. Hello, little dog. What are you doing? Are you helping? I love it. Oh, I love it. So good. Alright, so here we go. Here's another one of Mel's tips. So make sure you have yourself a handheld vacuum cleaner and your attachment, and you can suck up all the nasty bugs that appear in your camper. Bye, bug. And you get to watch them spin around. Oh, how pretty.
It's pretty down here. So this is
now.
Treasure Isle RV Park in Hot Springs, Arkansas. And we've been here
2 days.
2 days, and unfortunately,
Lots of headache.
this is the first time we've been able to actually walk around.
Oh, look how nice. They have sites
It's
right at the
beautiful.
water.
I know. I didn't even. Those are gorgeous. That'd be a lot of fun to come back to.
Well, there's lots of smells for the dog.
Yeah. So.
The ducks, they have boat.
Oh, they do have a pavilion down
docks.
here. Boat dock, yeah. I'm a boat.
It's my boat.
We go get that peas and carrots. Oh, they got a nice little setup over there with a little gazebo. Yeah, it's pretty back here. So we've been dealing with these truck issues for a while. But I think we are finally, hopefully, in a situation to we got everything squared away to get home. And we did another hookup and tow for about 45 miles worth of towing, and didn't have any problems.
And we have backup plans in place.
Well, we have backup plans in place, but we don't have any leaks or issues. It's got mostly more water than coolant in it right now from all the flushing and the just trying to get everything done. But so I got to take care of that tonight, drain it and put coolant back in it. But other than that, I think we're going to be okay. We'll let you know, but it has been extremely frustrating. Mel's over there talking, spreading the word, spreading the religion. Come on, let's go see the water. Come on. Let's go see the water. Where's that little dog? Are you gonna go down to the water? Come on. Let's go this way. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, it's a baby dog in the water. What you doing?
They are from Minnesota.
Mm-hmm.
And they have 2 sons and a daughter.
Yep.
And this is their first camper.
What?
And their first trip out.
Oh, cool. Well, they picked a pretty place.
Yeah, they did.
From Minnesota?
Yep.
They came from Minnesota to Arkansas in their first camper?
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Yep, to Bentonville, actually, and stayed boondocked already.
Well, which one are they? Oh, and that Puma next door? Is that
The one directly behind us. They have the 3-legged dog.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, but dang. How about that?
Check, check, and double check. You know, it's not a paved road. I don't know what to tell you.
It looks dry. Does it look dry all the way down there to you?
No.
It does.
It's not paved. It's
We're going to see it forever. It's a hard-packed road.
It's a farm road.
I'm going now. Now we're stuck in this shit. That guy's going to be like sipping on Slurpees. And here I am. I could have done it. But we're going to watch. We're going to see that 4Runner come juking up here in a minute. While we're still sitting right here. I see him down there. Can't even laugh right now.
You are in the 14-minute slowdown.
No shit.
You're on the fastest route.
No, I'm not. The fastest route was Eubanks Road.
We're not cutting rice paddy to get there.
Continue on US 70 East for 10 miles.
Oh, good.
All right, so here we are at the Tupelo Walmart for our second night. So here we are making the best of things at the Walmart in Tupelo, Mississippi.
Stranded in Tupelo.
As you can see, Thomas is so happy. And little dog is she's a real trooper. It's so cute.
Stranded in Tupelo, Mississippi. It's burning. Got hit in the head with the truck good.
Wait a minute.
Tornadoes.
What? Yes, so last night was a little windy, a little rough. We had some high winds in the Walmart parking lot.
Tornado warning at 12:45. Sirens blaring. Wind blowing sideways.
And another squall happening about 5 this morning with lots of lightning. That was pretty scary.
Yeah, then I got up this morning to change the belt on the truck, and the old belt had a crease in it, and it snatched around behind one of the pulleys and snapped in half. And so we joked as we drove into this Walmart parking lot, because across the street is a Nissan dealership. We're like, oh, if we need any more parts, at least there's a Nissan dealership. Ha 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 ha.
So in case you're not up to speed on our journey thus far, in Texas, we started having coolant problems with the engine. So we changed, Thomas took out the thermostat on the side of the road. And I don't know what is up with my eyeball. Why is my eyeball not open?
Well,
To what?
everybody has issues.
So, yeah, so Thomas changed the took the thermostat out on the side of the road. We made it to the next place. What did we do? We changed the fan clutch. And then
water pump.
The water pump.
And then I got a new thermostat.
And we got a new thermostat.
I've been working on stuff for every day for the past 2 weeks, and I'm tired of it. The slide broke.
Right.
I had to replace the cable on the slide.
Got everything fixed, and then
Living in the Walmart.
Yeah. So that's our life at the moment.
That's
living at the Walmart.
Living at the Walmart. What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
All right, we ordered belts from the Nissan dealership. What's the Nissan dealership's name?
Carlock Nissan.
Carlock Nissan in Tupelo, Mississippi. I hope you see this on YouTube. Trey was at the parts department. He was nice. Everybody else over there can kiss my... because we are stranded in a parking lot. We told them we were stranded in a parking lot yesterday when we ordered the 2 belts. And, oh, yeah, no problem. They'll be here. And this morning, oh, they're on back order, and nobody within 10 miles east of Egypt's got any. And they wouldn't give us a... So we found actually 2 at a dealership in Coleman, Alabama, which is 120 miles from here. And this Nissan dealership would not, knowing the situation, would not give us a
dealer car.
A dealer car to drive over there right quick and pick them up ourselves.
There's no car rental place within 100 miles of here that has a car for rent.
Colic Nissan or whatever it is, Tupelo, Mississippi. Don't ever shop there. And as far as that concern goes with me, you can not shop with Nissan. And I think that I'll probably, after this experience and the way they were just like, oh, well, sorry, we can't, knowing where we're sitting and at the fact that it's whatever, we're fine. We're in our camper, we're warm, it's okay. But
what if we weren't?
What if we weren't? You know what? And the point is, we're stranded here right now. So I'm very unhappy with Nissan, and I'm going to probably really trade my truck in on something else. Dealerships have to order parts 90% of the time. I mean, they can't stock everything. I'm not upset about the parts and having to order them. He had to look up the part number yesterday on the belt to order it. So,
he said it was coming from Atlanta.
Coming from Atlanta and going to be here. Why would it be coming from Atlanta if nobody's got any? And except for this dealership that's halfway in between here and Atlanta that has 2. So I'm extremely frustrated with this Nissan dealership, call it whatever it is here in Tupelo, Mississippi, and Nissan overall, because if this is how your brand is represented by the dealers that sell your products, then I don't want to be involved with you. So, fine, it's
more than others.
Fine, it's okay. It's frustrating because we have a family member who now lives in Alabama who is going to drive over.
Who's taking off work.
And pick them up and bring them to us, and it's going to be 4 hours, which it would be the same amount of time for us to rent a car and drive, go get them, and come back. But that's going to, instead of us getting home at 2 p.m., we should already be on the road right now. Or, we're going to get home at 9 p.m. Thank you, Chris and Diane, for helping us out.
Obi-Wan, Chris, you are our only hope. Please, thank you for saving us. Oh, and here comes our night in a white truck now. Look, it's my night in a white truck. Oh, I love you so much. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I do. I love you. 3 days in a Walmart is more than enough.
Oh, well, I'm sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the truck is now fixed, running. Thank you, Chris, and thank you, Diane, for letting Chris come over here and save our butts. We're getting out of here. Let's go.